hyphen von Hippel Lindau goes.
Just got her in a cast.
What an idiot. Those shuttles fly over New Jersey.
Hildy's got it all, but she hasn't quite found her calling.
She just puts a label there.
So what's a girl to do when her 9-to-5 gig just isn't cutting it?
I want to come work for you.
Go to work for the family business.
The only other job available is assassin.
USA presents the world premiere of To Love and Die, Tuesday at 8, only on USA. Characters welcome.
Once upon a, no, twice. Okay, many times upon a time, there was an elf named Will Ferrell.
Your costume is pretty.
Oh, it's not a costume. I'm an elf.
It's the 24-hour New Year's Eve marathon of Elf Uncut.
Where are you going?
Kinley!
By
Where are you going, Kinley?
Critics were saying Benjamin Button is like nothing ever seen on
I'm gonna have to send this to Joe.
movie. It's one of the best movies of the
My
decade.
brother.